Did I ever mention that my favorite animal is a cheetah? Interesting, right? As a teacher, my favorite animal is a cheetah. That doesn't make a lot of sense, but the fastest animal on land, that's pretty neat. Anyways, our problem is asking us to find the area of the larger regular pentagon, knowing that the area of the smaller regular pentagon is 27.5 square centimeters. Okay. So how do we start this problem? First, we need to find the scale factor between these similar pentagons. And we know that they're similar because they are both regular pentagons. So each side of this pentagon is the same length, and each side of this pentagon is going to be the same length. So we can assume that these are similar polygons. So let's find their scale factor. Okay, we're going to take the length of one side of the smaller pentagon over the length of the bigger. So we get 4/10, when simplified, is 2/5. Okay. So our question is asking us, what is the area of the larger pentagon? What is the area inside of here? So we need to know the ratio of the areas between these two pentagons, which means we have to square their scale factor. The ratio of our areas is going to be 2 squared over 5 squared. Or, when simplified, 4/25. Now that we have this information, we can actually use it to create a proportion. Since we know that the ratio of these areas is going to be 4/25, we can make a proportion where 4/25 is equal to the actual values for the area of the two pentagons. So let me show you what I mean. We know that the ratio of the areas has to be 4/25. And we know that the area corresponding to the pentagon with a length of 4 is 27.5 square centimeters. So we're going to put 25 or 27.5 over the area corresponding to our larger pentagon. And that's what we're trying to find. So we don't know what that is yet. So we're just going to represent that by an X. Now to solve for X here, we got to cross multiply. That's going to be our first step. So we take 4 times X is equal to 25 times 27.5. So simplifying that out, we get 4x is equal to 687.5. And dividing both sides by 4, we get that x is equal to 171.875. Okay. So the area of our larger pentagon here is 171.875 centimeters squared. Now, you might see this connection already, but these concepts have application in the areas of, say, architecture or construction. Because if you draw a scale model and you find the area of that scale model and you know what your scale factor is, you can easily calculate what the area of buildings that you're making is going to be.